Hey, remember, I told you Bordeaux is cool. It still applies. All right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And it's kind of rainy, cooled off a little bit. So drinking a little Bordeaux. Red Bordeaux this time. Covered white Bordeaux a couple episodes ago. We're going back into some regular Bordeaux, or when people say Bordeaux, people generally think red wine. These are blends of Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot, and some other grapes. In this case, I opened this bottle yesterday. We are drinking a 2016 L'Orme de Rauzan-Gassies from the Haut-Medoc region, 2016, really good vintage. Wines from the Haut-Medoc are usually, they're usually very much focused on Cabernet as the primary grape and Merlot as secondary. Although in this case, this guy is 65% Merlot and 35% Cabernet Sauvignon. Something that, as I tasted through this wine, surprised me a bit, because this is a strong, a bold Bordeaux. It's still, even after being open for close to 48 hours, very aromatic. I get lots of blackberries. I get a little note of cranberry. There's a tartness to this wine. There's a savory herb quality to it. If I had to pinpoint one, I would say oregano. Okay, so think of it. So think of that. It's a pretty neat wine, or a neat, I guess, set of scents. You can also, there's like a woody nature to this. So I don't know if it's, whether you want to call it cedar or sandalwood, something along those lines. There's a lot going on in this wine. Let's give it a taste. So when I first tasted this wine, and it doesn't have the, they didn't put the grape breakdown on the back of this. I had made the assumption, well, not made the assumption, but I thought what I was tasting was Cabernet Sauvignon as a dominant grape, because this wine doesn't come across as soft. There's almost a rustic nature to it. Those black fruits and that sandalwood type note come through. The herbs kind of go away. But because of the density of this, I was assuming that it was a Cabernet Sauvignon dominant wine, but it's not. It's Merlot dominant, which is interesting. Again, got to work on my blind tasting skills. But I think in the end, what comes across is that this wine is fantastic with with some chicken, a burger, some sort of a any sort of stuff you're grilling outside. Bordeaux is just, in this case, I don't want to say it's a bargain, but it's, you find some Bordeaux's that are definitely undervalued, and you need to continue to go find those and educate yourself. It's what we're trying to help you with here. So 2016 Haut-Medoc wines, pretty safe to buy. Still pretty reasonable. Hope everyone's enjoying their summer, the start of their summer. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Hey, it's Chris. I wanted to thank you for joining. I appreciate all of the love that people have been giving this channel over certainly the most recent months. I encourage you to hit the like button, write some comments down there so we can continue the conversation. And I've put a video, a playlist up here for your enjoyment, because I know you'll get some value out of it. And I look forward to seeing you more and more.